Welcome to Construction Project Management, INT 4243, Eastern Illinois University School of Technology. And I'm Wafeek Wahby, and this is Les Dallas. And I wanted to ask you, Mr. Dallas, about a successful project always has challenges. I mean, any success story has always challenges, and obviously they overcome it. So what are the typical challenges or enemies of a successful project, manager or management or a project, and how would you overcome these?
Well, for a job to be successful, there's several things that enter into it. The time of the year that it starts, weather is a big factor in construction work.
Okay.
So weather can cost you a great deal of money due to delays that you did not anticipate and due to taking longer to complete jobs due to muddy conditions or snow or ice or whatever. So weather enters into a job as far as the profitability of it. Other things that enter a job, number one, is to bid properly to start with, which we've mentioned before. That's very important that you know your costs going in. And I guess the third aspect is that if your labor comes in, the job is completed in the length of time that it's estimated it would be completed in, which again goes back to estimating, but it also goes to the quality of the workers and their ability to get in and do the job. So you get the factor of the weather, you get the factor of the proper job bid to start with, and you get to the people being qualified and able to complete the job on time. If you get those things cooperating, you'll make money on it.
Very good. Are there any dangers or challenges for the change of the rules of the land, or, for example, relationships with Japan, for example, deteriorated, and the material that you were expecting or equipment you were expecting to come from Japan is no more there? A strike, and they are not shipping anymore for some time. Boycott. How would this come into play? Are you covered in that, or you lose?
No, you're not covered in that because you're always at the mercy of the unknowns, and that's an unknown that you have no control over. So,
but these things are not your fault. I mean, it's a government thing. It's a nationwide thing.
Well, you go back. This doesn't help your profitability of the job, but you have to go back to the general or the architect and, hey, this material that you specified is not available. It's not going to be available on time, and you either have to come up with a different material that can be used that you can get, or you're going to be into a time drag that's going to cost everybody money.
So you deal with it personally first, and they read the news. I mean, they know that Japan is not operational or whatever. I mean, just I'm throwing Japan as something.
Most people are reasonable and understanding. Most people will emphasize that.
Well, okay, at the end of our interview, we have students who are getting to get their degree very soon and come into real life. Now, I use the real life term as conservative because they are in real life now. I mean, life is real always. But I mean, to go to the workplace in a formal way, what would you tell them at this time and juncture in their lives?
Probably, be honest with yourself and your abilities. Be willing to go the extra length that you need to improve your shortcomings, as each one of us has shortcomings. And I guess go onto the job not as you know it all, but that you're willing to learn the things you don't know. So
teachable.
Yeah, just be open and receptive, and also.
No place for ego. It's not an ego thing.
No, that's the worst thing you can do is go in. I got all the answers, because you don't. Nobody has all the answers.
You, after all these years, you can't claim that you know all the answers?
No. I know less than I did several years ago, probably.
Very good. I appreciate your time and sharing your experience with us. And thanks for Mr. Les Dallas. And we, in the future, want to have more of you, not less Dallas, but more Dallas.
More, okay.